Good day, ma'am and sir. I am Jonathan Padilla, 32 years old. I am a single father. I have one son, 5 years old. My working experience are painter, mason, and carpenter. 4 years finished contract. And Barangay Baro, Philippines, 3 years as a helper. Finished contract. My duties are taking care a 11 years old. I prepare his breakfast daily before school, and I bring him and pick him up to school. Also when he have activities as well. I also take care of 3 dogs and I walk them in the morning and evening. But when we get back after walking, I clean them first, especially their feet. I also feed and bath them. I also drive if my employer need to go somewhere. I have 17 years working experience in Philippines. My special skills are painting inside the house, mechanics, household work, cooking, a Filipino food, gardening, driving, taking care of elderly, and car washing. I am willing to learn how to cook a Chinese food and willing to follow your instruction. I am trustworthy, honest, hardworking, and patient helper. So I hope I can be a part of your family to work with you. Thank you and God bless, Mom and Sir.